I just want to do a quick tour of this barn here, just to show you a little bit what we're doing here. This is the main door, and we come in here, we have a ramp going up to a 5-foot deck, and then we're going to have the goes up to the 5-foot avalanche slides. Just go through here, get up here, then to our left is where the 14-foot avalanche slide goes out to the front. To our right is where the, let me step back here, where the 7-foot deck is, and that goes up to the, where all the turbo slides and the 3 avalanche slides go out the back. And this runs the length of the barn, 24 foot. Goes back here. We go around the corner here. That opening goes over to the silo. We have the 7-foot tunnel going over to the silo. And then right here we have the ramp coming down from the 7-foot deck. And right here we have the 9-foot deck. We're going to have a ladder going up from the 7-foot to the 9-foot deck. And then we're going to close off that opening there. We're thinking of making a small rock wall there, and it's going to come over here. Then on this end we're going to have another ladder coming down to the, from the 9-foot to the 7-foot deck, and we're thinking of closing off that opening off with a 9-foot, or just put a rock wall, a short rock wall there. Then we have railing on the 9-foot deck, and I'll show you then later on. We're going to have the rafters up there to enclose that 9-foot deck with railing. Then we go down through this ramp from the 7-foot deck. Comes down through. You turn 90 degrees, again 90 degrees, and go down through to the ground floor. And then just show you here, we're coming in the main door here. This is to the right. Got that ramp going up to the 7-foot deck, and that hole down there to the, on the right hand side, just get a little bit better picture of it, is the opening for the tunnel going over to the side also. Just step back here to the main door again, just give a quick tour here. Kind of hard to see. That's the doorway here, and it just goes around. 7-foot deck in the back, 5-foot deck on the left, ramp coming down through.